Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the input system I've created for Unity. This system makes it super easy to set up custom controls for your game, whether you're working with keyboards or controllers. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Window menu and open the Package Manager. Click to install a package and choose Install from Git URL. Paste the Git URL and press Install. Wait a few moments for the package to be installed in your project. Now, to configure the input system, right-click and select New Input System. Unity will generate a model for you. Then select the input system settings from the available options. You can either create new input settings or go to Project Settings, Input System to choose an existing configuration. On this screen, you'll see options for buttons and axes. For a button, you can create a new one, give it a name, and assign a key. You can either choose the key from the list or press a key on your keyboard to bind it. The same applies to mouse buttons. For axes, you can create a new axis, name it, and choose the type, whether it's related to mouse movement, scroll wheel, or a specific joystick. You can also bind keys for movement, up, down, left, right, by selecting them in this section. To use this in your code, the workflow is similar to Unity's old input system. You just need to add my input system solution. You can then use inputsystem.getButtonRun to find the Run button, for example. The system also supports functions like getButtonDown, getButtonUp, getAxis, and getButtonName to get the key name of button. When using axes, it returns a vector2, and you can get the x or y values from that. In this example, I create a vector2 to make my character walk. The workflow is almost identical to the old input system, so switching to this new solution is simple. You won't need to change much in your code. It's easy to implement and maintain. Additionally, with this new input system, you can change key bindings during runtime in Unity. This allows you to create a custom keybind system because everything is open and works well in both the editor and builds. However, it hasn't been fully tested on steering wheels or joysticks yet, though they should work fine. That's it for this tutorial. You can check out my GitHub in the description below. See you next time, and remember, Jesus loves you. God bless.